My screen is visible to all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
And
sir.
before I
Yes, sir.
starting the things, guys, either you talk in Hindi or talk in English, no matter, no problem. But talk. Ask all kind of questions that you think, right? You need to ask it here. Doesn't matter if you think how it is, because every question is important. No question is naive. No question is not important. Every question is important, and make it this session very interactive so that we can have a word each other, right? So my name is Ajay, guys. This is the meaning of Ajay. Okay, and I'm having it is old now. I'm getting more older. I'm having 20 years of experience. All right, and I'm working on AWS. I'm working on Azure. I'm working on GCP, and I work on DevOps also. Okay, so and whatever I work, I I have done the certification on all these areas. My bad. Just a second. I am certified on AWS, Azure, Google, DevOps, TOGAF. TOGAF is architecture course. Prince2 is a management course. ITL is a support course. That is there, right? So I am certified in all this. The thing is that if I say that I'm certified, or if I say that I'm working in industry, why I'm mentioning that? What is the value add to you? Whatever every statement, rather it's not a statement, every word that I've written in this PPT, in this document, it should make value to you. Otherwise, it's a waste, right? Because you came here to learn, and you should get the benefit of that, whatever I'm showing to that. So here, whatever I have written, it is making sense to you, not less understand that. If I say that I have 20 years of experience in the industry, right? If I say that I have 20 years of experience in the industry, what value add it is going to do? The thing is that if I'm working in the industry, I know how the work happens in the industry, right? How the work happens in the industry. What all the things are required in the AWS to work, how the DevOps works, how the Azure works, how the Google works, right? And how the overall work happens in the industry, what kind of roles there, who does what, and how the industry is provisioning, and the real-time experience, whatever is happening in the industry, that I know. One. The another is that, considering I'm in industry in long time, that I know how to take interview, and how to give interview also. It means I know what to write in the resume, how to write in the resume, how your resume should be there, right? What all the things should be in the resume so that it should selected very fast, right? The another is that this one. Certification. Guys, I'm audible, right, to everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
I am certified, right? I am certified. What is the value that you are going to get? Guys, you want to do the certification? First of all, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, only one person wants to do that. Then I will
Yes, sir.
connect with this person
Yes, sir.
later and then explain. Nobody do wants to do that, so should I skip this task?
No, we have to
No,
do
sir.
it.
No.
So participate, nah, that's what I said. Make it interactive. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so
Okay, sure.
so if you want to do the certification, do you want to know that how to clear the exam? Yes, that is what obvious. Do you want a dump
Yes.
so that you can refer that dump and clear the exam? Yes. Do you know all the shortcuts to clear the exam? Yes. Do you know what all the components are very important? What all the components are only important? What all the components that you can just read and do not pay much attention? All these I know,
Correct.
right? Where to pay the attention, where not to pay the attention, where more attention is required, where is the more weightage is there, how the exams comes, what the percentage is required, how much time you should devote, every question answer I will give. Because I know how to clear the exam. I have cleared so many exams. From where you get all the important things, I can give you or I can refer you. It means that I can help you both the things. Both the things means what? Both the things means to help to get the job or to help to clear the exam.
Certification.
Right? Certification. What is your pain? Right? Your pain is also there. I'm not saying that you can be simply just enjoy other things. Only one thing: study. Study. Then you say what to study? That is again my pain. Apart from this study, you do not need to do anything. All your pains are mine. Your pains are zero. All pains are mine. Anybody can give this guarantee? Go to the industry and check that. Nobody will give you. I am simply saying that all pains are mine. Everything rest study you just need to do. Okay, guys.
Okay, sir.
Right? What all the course curriculum is there? What is inside there? Although I will show you everything, but what I am trying to say, if I say job or certification or exam, if both are made my pain, then what is remaining? Nothing is remaining. Na? My screen is visible to all of you, right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So very first and foremost thing is that, guys, many of you are from the non-technical one. Many of you are from the non-programming area. Do you need to learn programming? That is the most common topic that I get it, or question that I get it from many of you. And let me answer this question. The answer is that any prerequisites to learn AWS, it means any programming or any networking knowledge. The answer is no. You do not need to have any programming or networking knowledge. Neither it is required in this course. Make sense?
Yeah.
No programming, no networking. Okay. Now 50% relax, 50%, 70% people are relaxed. No programming. Wow, मजा आ गया, है ना?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. The whole course duration is 2.5 to 3 months. Okay. Why 2.5 to 3 months? Because we will do theory. We will do practical. Whatever we will do, we will record and give it to you. We will do the multiple projects, not one, multiple projects together. We will do the multiple assignments together, right? And after that, whatever I was talking, exam preparation, for that I'll give you the dumps, for that I will give you books. I will help you to create the resume. I will help you for the interview. Not only that, if you're working in the industry, but not in AWS, I repeat, if you're working in industry and not in AWS, don't worry. I'll help you to map your experience to AWS. It means, let's say last 2 years, you are working on industry, but you're not in AWS working, neither in IT also, that's fine. I will help you to create your resume. I will help you to make you ready with your interview preparation, that confidently you can go and say that I am working in AWS. And guys, believe me, no cheating. No UR certification, nothing. Whatever you are doing in the same industry, same company, that easily you can claim that I am working on AWS. And that's a part of the course. Okay. Not only that, I'm going to teach you Linux free of cost. At least I'll make you comfortable working on the Linux, right? Not only that, some person said that Azure or something like. Whenever I
Full
teach
Linux
AWS,
only
one minute. Whenever I teach AWS, I'll keep mapping those things to the Azure and Google, so that whenever you go to the interview, and if they ask Azure and Google, same you can say that. Example, let's say in AWS are working in EC2. Forget about EC2, what is that? I'm just saying. In the same mapping in AWS, Azure is VM, or here is instance, you can say that in AWS I'm working on EC2, but in the same line it is in Azure as a VM. In the same line it is instance in GCP. That is more or less working model is the same, sir. And I'm very confident within a week time and within 2 weeks time, I'll get very comfortable working on these components, because the fundamentals are same of all the clouds. So I keep mapping those things while teaching itself, that you have so much of confidence that does not require to go into the Azure or GCP. Okay. Now go with your question, please. Somebody was
Hello.
asking questions.
Suresh here.
Yeah.
Can you teach full Linux syllabus or basic things?
I'll teach you, as I said, I'll make you comfortable working on the Linux.
Okay.
If you want to go to the full-fledged Linux, you have to join the separate course with me.
Okay. Means
Suresh?
you whatever needs basic things that you have
Absolutely,
to
sir.
learn.
Because Linux is, for many of the people who are from the non-IT or even in the IT but not working on the Linux, is a black screen, right?
Okay.
And they are always afraid of saying that I'm working on, I've always worked on the Windows and I do not know. Don't worry. I'll make you comfortable working on the Linux. And I'm not charging any single thing.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, continue.
Perfect. Right? As I said that, guys, if you want to get a job assistance, Radical has a tie-up with the 450 plus companies. Okay. And Radical, once you are done with this course, you can send your resume to the Radical and Radical will help you to get the job in the market, right? Not only Radical, I also have a Telegram group. In the Telegram group, approx 500 plus people are there and they keep sending the jobs here. They keep sending the jobs here and every day so many jobs comes here, so you'll get the reference. I will add you also here. Okay. If you have very old laptop or desktop, no problem. That will work. Only it should able to connect to the internet. Does not matter. Even if it is a 15 year, 20 years old, perfectly okay. Because everything we are going to go into the AWS. Nothing is we are going to go into the laptop. Okay. And AWS is free for 1 year. And AWS will not charge anything until you do something wrong. Even if you do something wrong, don't worry, I'm here. We will work together and the things, whatever the charges generated will be reverted back. But if it is 2 rupees, 5 rupees, 10 rupees bill is generated, then don't come to me and say that, okay, just pay. But if it is going beyond 500,000 rupees, don't worry, we will revert it back. Okay. So I'm going to teach you theory, practical, project, assignments, exam, interview, whatever you say that, everything, right, is my pain. What is your pain? Your pain is study. AWS is damn easy. Damn easy, believe me. AWS is not difficult. But who made it difficult? We made it difficult because we did not do the regular study. Okay, understood?
Yeah.
Okay. And you know what? One much more important thing. The AWS is very easy also. It's very easy. Okay, how? Because everything is GUI. Everything we have to do it here. I can right away take an example. Okay, and you will understand that. So let's talk to someone else. Okay, so Atul, you was unmute. Now you muted.
हेलो हाँ सर
या कभी लैपटॉप खरीदा है या डेस्कटॉप खरीदा है आपने?
हाँ लैपटॉप
तो बताइए अगर लैपटॉप, if you want to buy laptop, what all the things you require to do? First of all, you will decide how many laptops you want to buy, right?
यस
Number of laptops. After that,
checking RAM memory
CPU and memory, right?
yes
Sorry, Ajay. I want
Yes,
to
Saurabh.
restart my laptop. I don't know, but it's forcefully asking me to restart. So
Can you repeat? I'm sorry.
my laptop just forcefully want to restart. So
You can join
I will
meanwhile
join
mobile.
it in- just give me 2 minutes. I just restart and join again.
No problem. Okay, sure.
Okay.
Okay. So CPU, RAM, and after that, what else?
price
Storage.
हाँ yes storage
Sorry.
price
Price, right? Price
Yes.
is anyway that is you are not planning. You are planning that what all the configuration required. Price you will go to the market and check, right?
yes right
And then antivirus security.
Yes, antivirus security.
Then login password
Login, yes, sir. Login password
and the name of the laptop is required, right?
is required, right?
That's what you want to do, na?
Hmm.
You don't want operating system, Linux चाहिए, कौन सा चाहिए?
Linux,
जो भी चाहिए, right? You want operating system, right?
right?
Have you ever provisioned server? If I say that by mentioning this, it means you already know how to provision the server, you will surprise. So here in AWS, number of laptops is equal to number of servers. Okay, sir. We do
Okay.
not call server, we call instance. We call instance. In AWS, we do not call operating system, we call AMI, Amazon Machine Image. We do not call CPU RAM, we call again instance. We do not call storage. We call storage or we call volume. We do not call security. We call security group. We do not call login password. We call username and key pair.
Here.
Password is nothing but the key pair. Name of the laptop is name or tag. Okay. Now let's go to the AWS. And I click on this and I click on this big orange button. And I go name and tag, right? That's what I said, no? Name or tag. So let's say test server. This is the first is done. See how it is, how easy, right? GUI, na? One is done. Now coming to the operating system, Amazon, Mac, Ubuntu, Windows, Red Hat, SUSE, Debian. There are hundreds more. Which one you want? Right? You can select that. Let's say I take Amazon Linux. So Amazon Linux is, this is what? This is called Amazon Machine Image, AMI, right? I have taken AMI here somewhere. Where's the AMI? Yeah. Operating system, right? This is also done. Now I scroll down. Instance type. This is nothing but the CPU memory. Can you see that CPU and memory? Here, one CPU, 1 gig of memory. I click on this. I want 20 CPU, 32 gig of memory. You know what? Everything is here. 96 CPU, 192 gig of memory. 8 CPU, 16 gig of memory. You take whatever you want. Okay? You take it. But I am just going with my choice. That is 1 CPU, 1 gig of memory. That is instance type, right? This is one. Make sense? Now what is there? I scroll down. Key pair. What is key pair? Key pair is nothing but this. So here I select the one that I available. Okay. This is also done. I'm just showing you how easy it is, right? Just bear with me, hardly 1 minute. And security, right? This is existing security. Take the default one, whatever is available. That is also done. Security. Number of laptops. How many you want? Number of servers? 1, 200, 10, 1000. Just put the number and those many will come automatically. I'm just putting 1. This is also done. Storage. How much is free? 30 gig is free. How much I can take? 16 terabytes, 16,000. 16,000 GB means 16 terabyte. Right? I just go with 10 as of now. Everything is done. Right, Atul? Was it difficult?
No, sir. No difficult.
If I ask you to install the operating system in your laptop or desktop, how much time it will take? Maybe half an hour, maybe 45 minutes or 1 hour, right?
Right.
1 hour.
I click on launch instance. I launch at 1347, means 147. Okay.
Okay.
I wait. I just keep refreshing this and wait. I have not counted the seconds. Okay. I just counting is minutes. Can you see that? It's still just completed. It means 35 to 40 seconds maximum. And my server is ready. Just select the server. Click on connect. copy to SSH, copy this example. If you're not a Linux guy, don't problem. But whoever is Linux can understand. CD download. Enter, press yes. It will come, don't worry. Yes. Can you see that we are inside the server? We are inside the server. Same way we can create Windows also. Windows is a heavy application, so it takes 4 minutes, not 35 seconds. Okay. Same way we can do the Windows. Okay. Now, guys, question answer time. You can go ahead with ask all kind of question that is in your mind, and do not hesitate to ask. Whatever the way that
Why we need instance?
you are in.
So why we need instance in AWS? So we have to all the previous machines. You are all the configurations. You have to then and then only you have to provide the service from in the server for Linux server, Amazon server. But why we need the basic need of instance?
Why we need?
Why we need instance?
Okay. Why we need instance? I have just shown you the example, not necessarily you need instance. That is answer to first question. The another thing is that how do you log into this today, this demo session? Through mobile or laptop?
Mobile phone.
Mobile.
How you have joined this meeting right now?
Yes. Yeah.
Through laptop, right?
Hi, yes, sir.
So if you have joined through the laptop, it means some platform is required to learn the things, right? I'm not saying that Linux is the only thing that will require. If you want to install application, if you want to learn the Linux, if you want to create any website, if you want to develop any application, for that we require any operating system, right? Like Windows or like Linux. Understood, sir? That is the reason I have just given a demo of Linux. I'm not saying that we will only learn Linux. We are going to learn so many different components of AWS. Linux is one of them. Okay, sir? You got the answer?
Hi, yes, sir.
Okay.
And sir, one more question. Which is the must use OS in that case?
Can you repeat?
Which OS is used mostly in AWS, like Linux or Windows?
No. It's not an answer of AWS. AWS provides both, huh? AWS provides both Linux and it is up to you that use. Okay, sir?
Yes, sure, sir.
Next question, please. Yeah.
My question is which certifications we are targeting through this course? Means
Very good question.
cloud practitioner or something.
You came for one certification, right? I'm going to give you some, not some, rather some gifts. Where is that? Yeah, here is that. So there are multiple certification guys here. We are not going to cover everything because with the one course you came here to learn one certification, and here you can clear this certification with my course. You can clear the AWS Solution Architect Associate with my course. You can clear the AWS SysOps Administration with my course. So with the one course, you can clear 3 certifications, right? The course of each certification is different. That is going to go to the AWS, not to the Radical. So this is $100. This is $150. This is also $150. Okay, rest all course are fees are different. But yes, Radical is certified where you can come and give the exam. So Radical is a center where you can come and give the AWS exam. You can give it from your home also. That is all possible also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Sir, we can't target the
Next.
developer one.
I'm not targeting the developer one because if you remember what I said, no programming in this course, right?
Okay.
Right? I'm not teaching programming, right? If I teach programming, many of you has a different requirement, right? For the programming, that will be a separate course.
But I have a question. Like
Mhm.
after completing this course, if I want to do a freelancer job, so is there
Mhm.
any opportunities? इसमें
There are
job
many
करते हैं?
ways to get the freelancing job in the AWS, right? There are many websites I can refer you. There are many places that I can refer you that you can go, you can apply, and you can start getting the freelancing work. Yes, possible, sir.
Ajay, is there any
Yeah.
course for the instructors as well?
Let's go slowly. I'm not getting it. Sorry,
Are there
Manoj.
any
Please.
are there any certifications for instructors to become the instructor?
There are many certificates in the instructor in the market.
No, I'm talking about AWS. Are there any AWS?
AWS, yeah, cloud company also says that you can go with the certification things and all to become an instructor. That is there, but it is for them. If you want to join AWS to become an instructor, then you should do that course, right? If tomorrow I want to apply as an instructor with the AWS company, then I should certify it into that first. That is the first requisite. Okay. Or if if I want to join some companies, where it is certified with the AWS, they are working with the AWS, and they, they need to show to the AWS that we have a certified instructor over there. Okay, sir.
So,
Hello.
if
Yeah,
I
Sachin.
ask, like, how you are an instructor? Like, have you done any certification for becoming an instructor? Or
Sir, I'm teaching. My teaching experience is this much. You were in the introduction round when I was talking about that.
I think I joined late. Sorry.
Yeah. So I have done these many certifications. You will do that. Okay. Let me clear this. Yeah, I have done these many certifications. Okay. And many of them I have not written here because it is not relevant to the things that I am teaching here. This is AWS, Azure, Google, DevOps. TOGAF is a architect code. ITL is for support area. Prince2 is for project management area and all, right? So I have done many other courses also, right? And I'm not a fresher. I'm a 20-year experience in the guy working as a lead architect, cloud and DevOps in the market. Okay. And last approx 8+ year, now it is 10 years that I'm in teaching, and so many. And normally I don't show, but you have asked. So let me show you that how many AWS batches that if I write AWS, I'll not able to scroll down. AWS is my students only or my batches. Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah. And you work as a freelancer or?
No, I'm a working proper in the industry as a lead architect in the market. Full time. Saturday, Sunday only I teach. I don't teach on the weekdays, sorry.
Okay. Would you mind sharing where you work?
No, I will not able to share because you know that company policies, right?
Okay. Okay.
Right. I will tell once we have a good bonding during the batch and all, and then we know each other better then. Don't mind it, but you understand that if you are working in the industry, you know that, right?
Yeah, sure, no problem.
Right.
हेलो सर.
Yeah.
सर मुझे एक चीज पूछनी थी, जैसे कि हमारा कोर्स 2.5 महीने का रहेगा, तो उसमें जैसे कि कौन से भी हम टेक्नोलॉजी जब सीखते हैं तब हमेशा ये पूछा जाता है कि आप बेसिक लेवल तक सीख लियो, इंटरमीडिएट तक हो रहा है या एडवांस लेवल तक हो रहा है. तो हम ये कोर्स में कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे हम कौन से लेवल तक 2.5 महीने तक पहुंच जाएंगे.
सर आपके ऊपर है, मैं आपको एडवांस लेवल तक सिखाने वाला हूँ, आप कितना लर्न करते हो वो आपके ऊपर है।
ओके, वो फिर एडवांस लेवल तक हम फिर ये प्रोजेक्ट्स उसी हिसाब से हो गए क्या सर?
सर बिल्कुल सारे प्रोजेक्ट वैसे ही होंगे जो इंडस्ट्री में रन होते हैं, बिल्कुल वैसे ही होंगे, आपके ऊपर है आप कितना करना चाहते हैं, मैं तो करा दूंगा ना, राइट। अगर आप प्रैक्टिस ही नहीं करोगे, अगर आप पढ़ाई नहीं करोगे, कैन आई डू एनीथिंग ऑन द रिमोट?
No, sir.
सो ऑन एन एवरेज आई थिंक 1.5 या 2 घंटे में डेली दे सकता हूँ उसके लिए।
तो दे दीजिए सर, फिर तो बहुत ही बढ़िया हो जाएगा ना, फिर तो लाइफ बहुत ईजी है, राइट।
हाँ, ठीक है, ठीक।
ओके,
ओके, ठीक है, थैंक यू।
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन।
Hello, sir.
या पूजा।
Yeah, actually, as we are here, as you also mentioned in the demo only, like we are here for the job and the our growth and the whatever your requirements, right? But the thing is that with the only AWS learning, do we have opportunities or there are some tools of the DevOps which needs to be learned with this to get
Ma'am, see, just mute it, right? Because echo is happening. Okay. So Pooja, you said that DevOps is enough, or should we learn more things, right? Now I ask this question to you also, okay? Ma'am, you go to the, let's say you go to the market, you go to the restaurant to eat food, okay? Help me with that, just a sec, okay? So let's say you went for the dinner. Okay. Sorry. You went for the dinner. Now, and there you said that I want to eat, let's say, chapati and sabji. Now, question to you, Pooja. Just a second.
Yes,
My
sir.
laptop is problem. Okay. Now, if I give you salad, if I give you curd, if I give you pickle, right? If I give you papad, will your food will be more tasty or not?
Yeah,
With the combination of all this.
Yeah, definitely.
Definitely, right? Definitely, right?
Yeah.
Along with that, if I give some dessert also, then and it's like wow. So here, now you can mute. Now you can mute. Yeah. So Linux, if you learn Linux, along with that you learn AWS, right? Along with that, I'm not saying that this is not enough. The curd rice, chapati and rice was good. Along with that, you have added salad, curd, and all. That is very, very good. Now, if you add dessert also, that is called DevOps, right, guys? It's like Sone Pe Suhaga in Hindi word, right? Because the combination of all three is like a magic in the industry. But this combination is like anything. It's an awesome thing to learn, right? And that is the reason I teach everything. I teach AWS. If you look into here, if I teach AWS is here, I teach DevOps also here. Anyway, the Linux is the part I teach is free, right? Right? I teach Google also, I teach Azure also. But what I'm trying to say it here now, the Linux, AWS, and DevOps is the deadliest combination. But does not mean that you will not get the job here. This is the starting point. The starting point is here, but I'm giving you the combination of these two. But once you get some confidence, go here also. But in future, right? Because to start with, you eat your main course, a starter, main course, and then full dessert also. So a combination of. So dessert comes late. This dessert comes late. So that's okay. Start with here. Then while teaching the course itself, I will keep updating about the DevOps, what is required, what is DevOps, how the things are there, you should do, where you should do, how that you should do, where means which components you should do and all, right? And all this. And if you people have time, if you are interested, good, welcome to me. Okay, got the answer, ma'am?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Sir, are you going to take our mock interviews also?
I think, ma'am, I am going to make you ready for the exam and interview, more everything, whatever you say. So let me show you actually. Whenever I start batch, whenever I start any batch, what I do, let me show you. Okay. I create this kind of sheet, and this sheet I'm randomly open anything. Let's say this is open, no problem. Let's go with that. These all are the technical components that I'm going to teach you. These are the technical components, let's say here, right? But along with that, if you look into that, what I have written here, best practices, mock discussions, map your existing experience, interview, dumps, right? Dumps, interview questions, resume building, exam walkthrough. Can you see that, ma'am? It is not for you. It is for the batch that's running, right? It talks about this.
Yes, sir.
And it is not for this. If you look into that, this is for the another batch also. Can you see that? Everywhere it is written. Resume building, exam dumps, interview, everyone. It means it is a part of the course. It is not something that I'm going to teach you separately. I made it a part of the course so that I should not go back and just you should remind me, Ajay, you have promised me. No, I made it a part of the course itself. Okay, you got the answer now?
Yes, sir.
What next? Yes, Sagar.
AWS कैसे help करता है companies को, मतलब उनका काम
कैसे हेल्प करता है? AWS हर तरीके से हेल्प करता है सर. ओके, सिंपल है. एक एग्जांपल
मुझे पता नहीं.
नो प्रॉब्लम. एक एग्जांपल. यू आस्क मी इन हिंदी, सो आई गिव आंसर इन हिंदी. ओके,
हाँ ठीक है सर.
लेट्स से यू वांट टू ड्राइव मर्सिडीज. उसका कॉस्ट 50 लाख रुपीस है, राइट? इवन यू कैन बेयर 50 लाख रुपीस, लेकिन महीने में एक बार यूज करनी है आपको, या महीने में 10 टाइम्स यूज करनी है. बट 50 लाख का इन्वेस्टमेंट तो कर दिया ना बॉस, राइट सागर?
हाँ.
Now if I give you an opportunity, whenever, जब भी आपको चाहिए मर्सिडीज आपकी गेट पे खड़ी है, बट आप उसका पैसा नहीं दे रहे हो. आप जब उसको चलाओगे ना, जब whenever you use it, then only you will pay.
Okay.
तो आपका पर्पस सॉल्व हुआ कि नहीं हुआ? वही तो चाहिए सर. क्लाउड वही है. आपको मिलियंस डॉलर डालने की जरूरत नहीं है. आपको जब चाहिए रिसोर्स अवेलेबल है, यूज करो, यू आर डन. Millions of dollars you can save, right? This is the way.
Correct.
This is one of the things, right? There are millions of other things. We'll talk during the course. Okay.
Okay.
Any other question, guys?
So for AWS is Amazon Web Services. So, we have a particular to run on cloud computing is there as a application as a service or platform as a service or software as a service. So what type of services we have to depends on your running on AWS?
Okay, infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. Okay, we will learn all these, all three. We will learn all these. Okay, we will not learn one. We will learn all three in cloud. Okay, guys. If somebody does not know about this, don't worry. It is a part of the course. I will teach you.
Okay, sir.
Mokshi, you got the answer?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Any other question? Anyone? No problem. So guys, thank you so much. It was a wonderful session. I really enjoyed. Hope you also got all the answers, whatever you wanted. Hope you understood that the cloud working model little and satisfy all your questions, whatever you had, right? Feel free, if still any question, call to the Radical. Radical will connect to me and I will give all the answers. The class is starting tomorrow. You have taken a very good step to come into the front and learn something new. Believe me, guys, cloud is mandatory for everyone. If you come into the IT, or if you are already in IT, it is very much mandatory. So take your time, learn it. Don't get scared. I'm there not only to this class. Even after 5 years, you come to me and say that, Ajay, I need help. I'm available. Don't worry. Okay. So with this note, with the very positive says you will learn. the AWS. Let's conclude this. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful.
Thank you, sir.
Have a good day ahead, guys. Bye bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.